Yo, get ready, see them. Look at inside. Keep going. Now look at me inside of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside now. And come northeast, pull back northeast. Def now. Def. Hold, def now. Heal me. Comes out now. Guys, full push out, okay? Full push out. Comes out. Hold. Come back northeast. Come northeast. Yo, look at east side, okay? Look at east side. Yo, inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Kill this guy inside. Yo, after the clerical, finish this guy. Yo, come in. Def now. Heal west. Yo, I'm gonna push east side. Guys, why are you dying like that? Come north.
Full ball.
Already winning, guys.
Cutting
Come
out.
north. Just run. Come north. Why are you guys dying like that? Where's my ditang? Nobody's watching the northeast side? Hello? Like, we win already. Fuck, man. I told you to full push. Come northwest. I'm kiting, Razor. I'm running already.
Ending or GG?
I'm shouting already, Razor. I'm shouting. All my ditangs died. Bro, no, I keep shouting like just run. Yo, just run. Mount up. Yo, my Bastion, are you checking the other Zerg or are you watching only Sunyu? Like,
Sunyu,
nobody's
engage on
talking
you,
to
like-
me.
They have...
Can you open mic? Hello? Like, nobody CC, like, do you guys have, like, assign someone watching the bomb squad? They have 2 engage only. My ditangs.
Everyone.
Like, we got farm on the northeast. We're too far back
If
on the
you
northeast
see
side.
the bomb squad, tell me, okay?
Nobody's talking to me. I'm just gonna demas. Ditang Battlemont, do you guys have mic? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Ditang
Yeah.
yeah. Hello!
Nag-reset ako
No
that
one's,
time.
no one's
Ina.
talking
Meron,
in,
meron,
no one's
meron,
talking
pre.
in PTB. No one's talking in PTB.
No one's talking
Titang.
in PTB.
Hindi tang?
Oh, guys, just open mic. Talk to each other. Like, nobody's watching the bomb. We got bomb for free.
I'm trying to
We're
communicate
already
to them,
winning.
but
We wiped them already. And you guys are not talking at all. Like, how? Like, open mic, please.
Are you okay? Being killed? Or not?
Okay, I'm
You
Rigia.
guys in the top 1 guild, but
Uh,
you're not talking at
in
all.
Kara,
Every people in the pit are not talking.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Should be the scout, boss smart.
you defend
No
bomb
talking.
squad, I defend Manfort, okay?
You told me before we got wiped. You said
Okay,
you said
okay.
heal. And relax out so fast.
So if you
Kill
see
sila
the
pero
bomb
may
squad,
fast engage sila.
you
May ano
should
sila.
tell us.
Si
And-
Morty yung
Two
nag-ano
screen.
sa'yo.
2 screen ano?
screen.
Engage?
Ilang seconds yun bago ako nagsabi na 2 screens.
Putang inang mga scout. Why you guys like this? Like every time I call, like nobody's talking. Do you need mentor just to mic? You go back here. Go off mic din mo nga naka-push dotok day mo like. Yo, battle mount, go out PTB. Don't go PTB. Come main comms and open mic. If I don't hear you, I'm just gonna tell Doki to kick you in the guild. Why are you guys doing this? Tay, kasalig ko ninyo ba? Kamo may una-unag binuang eh.
Nag-remount ko ato time na bomb mo.
Pre, sabi kami ko, hindi, may bomb sa west. Wala pa din ng ano, pre. Well,
Ditangs,
Depende-
like, communicate with the BM. Can you guys go 1 PTB? And like, assign like 1 GA and 1 heavy mace on the other side. I told you to full push out west. And if we full push one side, I need at least 2 Ditangs watching my backline. We already separated them. They playing 2 front, if you guys haven't noticed. We already killed a lot. Like, all my Ditangs, I don't know what are you doing. Like, I told you to full CC them. I still need D-Tank on the back line. Come back to Rapids, please. Like my Battlemont, we're only small guild, a small scale right now. Like we're not big Zerg. You need to tell me if you're mounting up or no. Cause I'm waiting for your info. Why do we need to like do this before like we can just like oh my god, I don't understand. Like you guys are you need you need me to yell at you first before you guys talk. How many times already? I keep telling him, bro, like nobody's talking to me, no scout, nothing. Uh, let's just go one round, Razor. Let's just go one round. Like fuck this Ditang. Like tomorrow, guys, Doki is already looking for third, and we have like 2,000 ticket. Don't think like you guys are like permanent in this guild. Every time there's no mentor, nobody's talking. I don't understand. It's like you keep losing to Plak every time you win because you guys don't like talk, don't know what to do. Even my BM not talking. I'm waiting for info. You got dismounted, not talk. My Beetle, talk to the other Ditangs.
Oh,
Hindi.
rinig ka, pre.
Assign. Who's gonna watch that bomb squad? Like there's one bomb squad. We almost wiped them already.
Yan. Hindi ko alam.
Fuck.
Razor, let's just push one side, Razor, once they got like
Yeah.
But like
Yeah.
guys, please, when I push one side, assign one hammer and one heavy mace, please, on my back line.
Sorry, we not use foot and OC yet.
Who check right now an OC? Yo, do I have D-Tank now on the flank or no? Do I have D-Tank watching my backline or no?
I will look on backline.
One more, like two, like you guys need to talk. Like you need to tell me your flank is one screen away looking at you. If you die, you tell me you die because someone take over. Communicate,
Okay,
please.
okay.
Only you? What you playing?
I play heavy mesh.
Okay, one hand hammer. Play with that guy. Guys. Don't understand why we rank one guild and Ditang don't have initiative to open mic in PTB. I think so also. Like I don't understand. Like when I asked them Riser, when I asked them why we don't have watching the bomb squad, they said nobody's talking in PTB. So how can we win like that? I don't. Like you guys need to see like we're holding that choke right, and the other Zerg is on the southeast of us. The other Zerg is on the far west. And I see info on the west side. But the southeast nobody. So they just bomb our backline for free. And I lost everything. And that moment we already win. Yo, dismount for chicken OC. From southeast.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Overnight. Ano again? Sorry.
I have a lot of brawler.
I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to front. I think we have one runner. Yo. Oh, I don't understand them, bro. Like I kinda so hard. Come near to us. Come near to us. Yo, guys, that's the exact same scenario. Like what happened on the first fight. Like our bomb squad, like the Shaper killed a lot of them, and we play aggressive. We killed 3 of their D-tanks first engage. And then all of a sudden, when we're holding choke, same position, right? East side and north, they're already like separated, but no one is watching the east side. So my whole backline got bombed, and they just full run over. So one more fight, please. Let's do better. Come near to us, Libang.
Yeah, they have perma color. Perma.
Anyone know like the bomb squad of the second Zerg? What's the name? So I don't really know.
I forgot.
That's with Energy Hug, right? He killed a lot. DPS, Energy Hug. Ah, yeah, the one we killed right now, just now. Okay, okay. So he's also Mage Sandal. That's why he killing a lot. Guys, look at look at Alliance set. They're doing Sonya, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Yo, zone, set home. Why you not set home? Bank in, loot tab 1, loot tab 1. Zone out and hold if you're ready.
Yeah, I tried to see the flank.
Hot yak. Hot yak.
Yo, listen, my Incubus, if you can notice, like, if you guys are gonna set up with me, Zivalter, JQ, like, when they engage, right, they play very aggressive. They're gonna try to counter for Olpa. And then, you, like, if you see Ditang inside, just snare charge and InQ, because 100% I'm gonna kill Ditang first. That's how I play. I'm gonna kill Ditang first before we go full aggressive. Okay? So my InQ, like, watch inside. Like, it's very rare for me to go, like, go deep, like, first. Piaya, where you at, Piaya? And, like, they always shallow. Because they have, like, the blink shit. They're all playing Mage Shandal. So the engage are very fast and, like, too big. Because they're pulling you. So you need to be careful, like, my support, you need to be, like, fast. Piaya, where you at, Piaya? Okay, come and see, come
Help.
and see.
Too long.
Come southeast.
Help. On ping, on ping.
Yo, go, help.
Close out.
Potion ka, pre, potion ka.
Potion.
We are here.
Help, JQ, help, JQ. Don't need to kill. Come. Hold first. Okay, kill this guy. On me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Yo, oh, one more. And, like, guys, when they got separated, right, they're gonna try to, like, come to their main Zerg. If they got separated. So I need my D-tanks, like, delay them. Like, maybe GA them. Or CC them, okay? James, you good? Why are you in the mid-map? Yo, stop chasing, boys. I'm already here. Hold southeast. Please, lock in now. Talk to me. All the info. I need all the info. I don't care what info is that. Just tell me everything you see. Come and see. And then we can win. Easy. Come and see. You guys need to get used to how they play. You have 2 engage. When after 2 engage, CC them. We kill D-tanks. We keep doing that until we can full push them and just wipe all of them. They need their color to, like, go past the choke dust to engage. So every time they're carving, like, their heavy mace set up, like, try to hit, you catch them. The fuck are we doing? What's the ping? You need help, bro? Actually, okay ka lang? All pa okay lang kayo? Come northwest.
Nagpipick gank lang.
Okay, hold.
Joke lang, nagank talaga, pero nabuhay.
Okay na.
Careful.
Naka-shaper ba siya, Axios?
Don't
Maybe
go main road.
try yung bagong tech.
Blue dot.
Keeper engage.
Okay.
Careful.
Hold. Yo, okay na kayo?
Okay na.
Okay.
Okay, come and see.
Sape.
Nandun na sila sa rapids.
Nasa rapids na daw.
Yeah.
Okay,
Where are you
come
going,
southeast,
Sape?
come southeast. Sape? Who's Sape? Where's Sape?
I'm good.
Okay.
Hindi kita marinig sa ano, Raven, main comms, Salita ka ulit.
They holding southeast gate of rapids.
Okay. Who's the blob here? Like this one?
I don't know.
You
Sape,
good?
You can
You good?
tell
You
me?
good?
Maybe us?
Okay. Who is the blob?
Hold the C.
DA na sila.
Wait.
32 lang
They're
kanina.
going northwest again, northwest. Northwest on you, northwest on you.
Southwest.
Northwest of
Can
UP,
someone check their comm? Are they northwest or south? What? Northeast?
Oh, they're going southeast again. They're just on
Kamini.
walking around. Oh, in your southeast again, southwest.
Kamini.
In your southeast, southeast K.
Southeast of you, southeast.
Kamini. Okay, Kamini. Okay, hold this.
One skin of you.
Okay, one screen from southwest.
They're coming.
Hold. Who check an OC, boys, if you
Really?
haven't.
Two screens.
Hold, lock in, please. Let's go.
One screen.
In your front na sila. Front na.
Oo, yun na.
Remon sa Oya.
May bastion ka na reset
Hold. Yo, careful shallow. They're too fast engaged. They have too fast engages, okay? Come southwest.
Yeah, I...
Hold. Tope, shoot mo tong balista, Tope. Binubuli mga battlement mo, oh. Eh, no?
Yan.
Hold. Kamini. Pull them east.
Ah,
Come east. Tell me if they're following,
hindi
okay?
ako makapasok eh.
They're following.
Okay, come southwest.
They walk back.
I cannot
Bumalik.
see their color. I think I lost the mark. It's okay. Hold. Tell me what they're doing, okay? Yo, careful. They're gonna shallow. Careful, careful. May ditang don't die, okay? May ditang don't die. Hold,
They're inching up.
hold, guys. Spread more northeast.
No
Spread
looking, no looking.
left, front. Hold. No, looking.
I mean Sonyo.
Hold. One more engage, okay? One more engage. Yo, help my bomb. Heal on my bomb.
They're looking.
Yo, look at southwest. Shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow now. And go back northeast. Go in E.
Sonyo looking.
Yo, def. Heal front. Come in, kite in. Heal up, okay? Heal up.
Resetting ballista mo kaya?
Heal up. Yo, west side shallow in 5. Wait, hold. Wait. Come back in E. My bombs could just wait. Hold. Boys, they have fast engages. Careful. Yo, they're looking. Hold. Come on, def. Good. Come in, kite any. Get ready, def again, okay? Kite east.
Bastion resetting.
East. Def now. No, look at west side. Walking now. Look at shallow on me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. You need to kill all of them on the shallow. Kill all of them. Come in. Def now. Yo, hold them. Spread northeast. Spread northeast. Def now. Look at me southwest. Okay, hold. Guys, bombs cut in the northwest. Yo, come northwest now. Come northwest. We're gonna full push northwest. Razor, I'm gonna full push northwest. Come northwest on me. CC northwest. Def now. Northwest on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me now. And full push north. We need to kill north, boys. We're dying already. Come northwest. Kite northwest. Full push brawl. Northwest. Heal up. Sunyo's looking northwest. Keep going northwest, boys. Regear northwest. Come northwest more. Def now. Keep going northwest. Potion. Def now. Look at southeast on me. Inside the bus.
Mr. Resetting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Please lead this shit. Nice. And cold. Spread. Ready def. Yo, spread and ball here. Take space on the northeast. Take space on the northeast. Yo, come south now. Hold now. Hold your ground. Look at Sunyo, okay? Look at Sunyo. Def ready. Def now. Def. Yo, we're gonna counter Sunyo. Come to Sunyo. On me. Look at me. Fake now. Look at me southeast. In 5.
I can't mount.
3, 2, 1. On me now. And spread again.
I'm looking.
Come in.
Targeting me. They're targeting me.
Come in.
I can't mount.
Come in. Regroup NE. We're gonna kite. Okay, I'm gonna kite northwest. Come kite northwest. Houston W is inside. Kite. And kite. Come north. How many DA we have? Come north. Look at the northwest side. Okay, northwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. You need to kill this and kite. Kite more. Kite more. Kill this. Can you kill them? Yo, def ready. Ditang hold them. Kite to the choke. Def ready on the choke. Def now. Keep kiting northwest on the choke. Heal me. Def now. Kite northwest. Regroup here. Def now. Def again. Heal up. Where's my Zerg? You're too far away from me. Look at me, okay? Look at me. Wait. On me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. And come southeast. Come southeast.
Sunyo looking on your gate.
Come southeast. Ready def. Regear fast, boys. Regear fast. Hold now. Good shit.
Sunyo ding.
Yo, hold. Def. 10 seconds to engage, okay? 10 seconds to engage. Heal front. Heal the front. Def now. Heal the front. Hold. Look at me inside. Everyone inside. 5. Wait. 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Now or we die. You do this. Okay, run. Guys, you're too separated of me, guys. You're too separated. You're too far away from me. I already kited. Yo, I need help here. Need help. On ping, if you can. On ping. Uchiro, may ditang, help me. There's a blood letter here. CC, do I have healer on the ping? Okay, zone northwest. Are they still chasing? Can we regroup? Where you guys at? Zone 2 rapid.
Pick up northwest.
Northwest. Boys, like, what the fuck? Our bomb squad is killing them. But you guys just die. You didn't, like, follow me. Like, oh, the bomb squad is wiping them. Oh my god, man. Yeah, I see, but my Zerg, like, I tell them to kite. They didn't follow me, bro. Like, oh. I don't understand what's the problem. It's third fight.
Kaya nga, ako hindi target ng mga cheater, hindi ako makamount po. Hindi ka ba ako namatay?
Let's just go northwest. A lot of problem on the D-tanks right now. Like, every engage, they killing. Oh, putang ina, ang pangit talaga. D-tanks, did you communicate to each other? Like, did you guys see when we full push northwest?
Namatay si Boss Mark?
We did.
Like, I full push, but nobody's with me. I see that you're killing a lot. Oh.
Before
Init
pa
well.
ma-break yung choke, may mga death tank na rin namatay.
Wait.
At least 3 death tanks, I think.
Yeah.
After the choke.
We hold the choke. One guy say should hold the choke. So
You hold first. One more, Razor. One more. Last round. How many D-tanks died? Like, on the choke, when they full push? A lot?
At least 3, I think.
3D tanks, the 3D tanks that talking to me in the main comms and the PTB. The other D tanks, I don't know what they're doing.
Who's the other 3 D-tanks? Who's the other 3 D-tanks?
What?
Yo, regroup in tunnel.
Yo, one shot on each row. Bang. Okay.
Yo, come northwest. Let's pick up the people who died. Northwest. So the people, like, the D-tank who talk died. And nobody talking after that. Or no?
Yeah, they're even muted in PTB, so I don't know what they're doing.
Meron pa isa. Pwede ka mag ano, sa caller, mag-open mic ka na lang. Okay lang. Boys, let's win last round, okay? Peace. Agari, where you at? TWDGG2, where you at?
Cadavere. Wasak na pek. Kep, where are you?
Zone northwest and fun. If you need another food, take food. I'm gonna wait. Hold zone northwest and fountain hold. Na-DC si Rowan? Di na siya kabalik?
DC
Di
ako,
na.
namatay ako.
Anong gamit mo kanina?
Beetle.
Yun lang. Yo, come near to us, come near to us. They're dying. Come near to us. Makakabalik ka, pre.
Binoiba ko yung set ko sa portal.
Namatay na naman si Wasak. Nagang
Pirigir na lang.
na one shot.
Babalik ako. Naka-D-tank nga lang. Walang beetle.
Meron... you need beetle.
No, bear po.
Hold north to us here.
One shot.
Murag na may nag-beetle si Juan, not Christine.
Sa bomb squad ba na? Guys, this will last round, okay? So we can sleep well. Fucking hell, man. Are we guys all good right now? 29 DA, where's everyone? Do I have someone in Rapids? I'm missing 2 DA. Guys, do you need help? Anyone? Tell me right now.
Wasak. Nagre-rigger ata si Wasak.
Nasa loob
Namatay
lang
siya.
ako. May ano lang.
Okay.
Sa labas. Sa loob pala. Ang itcho.
Pag ma-separate, babantay ang isa ka Zerg diretso na nigna ko kung sila kaya kung turn back ko.
Kinsa ang second rig. Oo, bantay
Depende.
ba? Kung gibantayan
Depende
na
kung-
si Ron.
Kung mo full push ko, ang pikas pantay. Nanig na ko sa ginabuhat.
Doon di sila ka-guild.
Dili, isa ka guild pero bombs ko lang isa. Arawan saan ka? Sa ano ka ba, Icho?
Anong map? Babalik.
Nasa Icho kami, pero fight sa Rapids. Okay, guys, ready? Pasak, you ready? Let's go southeast. You guys good, right? Come see.
Anchor Southeast.
Tanker
Okay, southeast
southeast.
Okay, we go together. Hold first. There's like one yellow dot. Okay, let's go.
Kayach.
Boys, very easy to engage. We just need to sustain 2 and full push them. Masi. Yo. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Southeast is. Yo, I have one healer on the back again. Wait, hold. Okay, you lagging, bro? You good? Come southeast. Come southeast.
Yo, zone to tunnel and hold. Boys, okay, we're the second Zerg, so our comp is the only thing we have right now. And it's very, very bad. Because we need to prior the main Zerg, right? So that's like, the only thing I can ask you is to like play better. Just communication. Then we can win. No need to switch or something. Just like communicate with each other. My bottom man can mount up on the southeast, whole southeast. Okay? Roll. Zone and hold, zone and hold. Okay, let's fucking do it. Clean win, okay? I'm gonna see. Southwest. Yo, listen. What's
32 nga lang, tapos naging 34 eh.
What's happening in the back? Why are we 30 DA only? Where's everyone?
They are 31 now.
Like my supports are on the southeast. How many DA do you have? Like 30, 34, right?
They are 33 now.
Okay, come east. Come east.
Scouts.
Okay. Alba, open mic ka. Yo, dismount on me.
Oh,
Pwede ka
great.
open mic. Para
Saan
alam mo
sila?
yan.
Saan dyan?
Hold southwest.
Hindi ko pa sila kita kaya.
Come southwest. Where they at right now? Yo, come
There,
southwest.
there,
They might be on the
there.
east side.
East
What
side,
there?
east
What
side,
there?
east side.
Okay, come southwest. What the fuck is that
One
info?
screen.
Come
One screen,
southwest.
one screen.
Come southwest. Come southwest. Hold.
Careful.
Yo, help my bomb, okay? Help my bomb. Hold.
Yeah,
Hold.
JM.
Yo, GM, hold.
On you looking?
Careful.
Shoot the beat.
Yo, hit the fucking beetle. Hello?
Yeah, I'm shooting it.
No.
They're stepping up.
Yo, get ready, Def. They're stepping up. Okay, they're stepping up. Take space
They're
more on the
looking up.
southwest. Def now. Yo, inside of us. Wait. 5, 4, 3. Wait. Good, Razor, good. Hold. Yo, come southwest.
Looking?
Look northeast, okay? Wait. Hold. We play slow. Yo, Def, ready, Def. Ba't ka nandyan, ano? Ba't kayo nandyan?
Nahila.
Hold. Just hold.
Bastion remounting.
They're looking. Good. Help my bomb.
No,
Yo, look at this
heating up.
kitang inside. Yo, hold. Def. Yo, on me. Get ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, no, me now. It's big. You need to kill this.
When you're looking, hard looking.
Yo, Def now. Push on. Defend. Yo, they're gonna walk in, okay? Heal. Stabilize. Come southwest more. Hold. Yo, gala. Yo, Def. Okay, Def. Hold.
Looking north.
Def again. Heal me. Hold. Just hold.
Rotate your defense.
Hold.
이번 대만 제가 볼게요.
어.
제가 볼게요.
On you looking.
Yo, Def.
What's on you looking?
Yo, counter northeast. Get ready, counter northeast. Season them. 5, 4, 3, 2, no, me now. You need to kill shallow. And come southwest. They're gonna walk in, okay? Def now. Now heal up. We're good. We're winning, okay?
Hold. Come southwest ward, come southwest ward.
Cheater.
Don't overextend.
My
Come
God.
southwest
Son, you
ward,
looking?
come
Son, you
southwest
looking?
ward. Hold, def now. Heal.
Down,
Come southwest,
Step
kite
up.
southwest.
Yes,
Kite southwest, okay? Def now.
They
Ranging
come
up.
from east. They come from east.
5, 4, 3, 2, on me now.
Oh my God.
Good. Hold na.
I can't mount up
hold,
because of
hold.
the cheater.
Coming, they coming.
Hold. Just hold.
Nice.
Son, you dying.
Yo, they're gonna look soon, okay? Potion
Son,
now.
you looking?
Push. Spread.
Tingin kayo sa
Hold.
southeast mo. Sa east mo.
Guys, look at me. North is on the bridge. In
Wrapping
5,
around sila
4,
southwest.
3, 2, everything on the bridge. And take
Nasa
me
west man
northwest.
sila
Take
kaya.
me northwest. Go northwest. Go northwest now. Come northeast now on the bridge. Northeast bridge on. Cleanse.
Northeast.
Def. Come northeast. Switch. Come northeast.
Bastion resetting.
Hold. Okay, hold. Def. Yo, heal pad. Yo, inside. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Good. Come in. Oh my God, we die a lot. Yo, finish the kill inside. Qs and Ws. Hold. Yo, they're looking.
Looking from north.
Hold. Yo, they're looking. Oh, yo, northwest. Bounce cut northwest. Spread east. Yo, spread. Gala inside. Come southwest now.
Careful gala.
Southwest.
Careful gala.
On the gala. On me. 5, 4, 3. On me now. You need to kill. Def. Spread. Def now.
I'm looking east.
Spread here.
West.
I'm looking east.
Spread here. Def now. Yo, look at southwest. Walk in southwest.
Son, you looking?
Walk in southwest. Yo, on me southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, everything with me. You think I'll son you. And come southwest. Good. Come southwest. Yo, kill son you. One guy kill son you. Come southwest.
Nice. Southeast side. They're running. No.
No.
The southeast.
Go. Come southwest more.
I'm looking southeast.
Southwest, guys. Southwest on the bridge. Kite the bridge. Def front. Yo, def. Inside 5, 4, take on. Inside now. Good. Come southwest.
Bastion resetting kay. Nawala yung mic ka?
Okay, nawala mic mo.
Southwest.
Wala,
Kite southwest. Hold. Okay, hold. Yo, look at me, okay? Look inside. How many DPS in party 2? Def now. Guys, spread. Def now. Yo, find me. On me. Pick now. On the southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, on me now. Okay, run. We're playing so good, but we fuck up. Run, go run. All good. Namatay doon, Ira? Wala akong lumber, pre. First engage ka namatay.
Ay, but
Ang hirap mag-engage. GG's. Guys, I already told you, they're always shallowing. It's a lot of people dying shallow. Come here to us. We done. Yo, can someone help JQ? Are you dying from rat or what?
We need help in southwest kay.
Southwest?
Rapids. Yeah, rapid southwest.
From rat or what?
One shot and yeah.
Karon pa mo gayon, i-zone ako. Come southwest. Follow me. Southwest and rapids. Ping daw, ping.
Wait. Zone ko balik. Here.
Ginagang ka or what? Okay na.
Okay na. May one shot kiniya. Nawa mo mic pag last ba? Okay na.
Yo, regroup on me. Labada sa second zerg yun eh. Wala yung kuan. Bad trip kayo.
Sa ditang nimo ay tuluray matingog.
Yo, for those people who's still talking in D-Tank, like, I need the list of people right now, okay? Like, what's happening, you know? We need to fix that shit. Like, our defensive were too bad, you know? You need to fix that. Please. I'm gonna talk to your mentor. And for the people who trying their best, like, talking, communicating, tell me. So you don't get, like, para hindi kayo madamay. Sino ba yung mga ano? Puro ba kayo Pinoy pre mga nasasalita or may mga may iba?
May iba.
Okay. Like why do we need to lose 2 times before you like talk in, you know? But still, yeah, it's GG. Good content. Good content. Come near to us.
Bakit? Naka-data? Putik na yan. Sobrang lag nun.
Na-open mic ka to pa. They have 33, right? DA last fight and second round, third round, right? Or third round,
31.
fourth round. 34?
34 DA.
31 rata.
Tapos tayo
31 lang
31.
last pick.
31 ta first, second and third.
Okay, we did good if that's the case. But still, boys, if you're playing on the rank 1 guild, like, how about my support? Do you guys have like rotation, like D1, D2?
Oh,
Who's gonna be the first
namatay si
defensive?
Duke. Ano?
Like, are you guys talking like that? or
One
no?
shot. H off.
Go, regroup on me, guys. Come to me. Regroup on me first. Ang dami namang one shot yan, pre.
Tang.
Come near to us. Nah, support didn't call like that. Like, support should have, like, I don't know if you guys have
Papatay ako
support.
for M kill fame. That's
Do
one
you guys
M.
have like support caller right now? Like one of the support? Wasak meron kayong caller ngayon or wala? Like the defensive, like so, like let's say so new engage. Does it mean that all my support drop everything?
Meron kaming caller, boss. Kunyari, may first party engage, second party, tapos may
Okay,
defensive. Ay, defensive support, boss.
You guys need to work like you don't need to do the first engage, second engage. If next time like if we fully mix into each other, you need to play like how we play in my last guild. Like you need to assign at least one demon armor on the bomb squad. You just follow him.